Good evening, family. We are back on the paddleboard with a different camera angle. Don't worry, I got all the angles for you. So, today we're going to catch the sunset on the bay and have a great day. I'm about to get crashed in by my boy over here. He's about to run into me. But this is. Here, let me spin around a little. Let me spin around. Whee! So you guys can see all the glory that's behind me. Well, it's about to be behind me. So yeah, it's beautiful right now. I'm gonna catch sunset. We're gonna cruise around, and yeah, I don't really have much to say today because the beauty is gonna speak for itself. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Look at that view, guys. Wow. I am out here on the water. A little fishing boat just passing by. You guys, please come visit me somehow. Please help make this place the Carnivore Healing Retreat. I need you guys on this water with me. Let's paddle a little bit towards the sun, shall we? Let's go towards the sun. Wow. This is the way to watch a sunset. I am currently sitting on the Santa Rosa Sound with about 2 people around me and a bird, maybe some fish, watching one of the most gorgeous sunsets, laying on this board, just in awe of this place. So yeah, this is the new home of the Carnivore Healing Retreat. It's official, folks. I'm done playing around. Look at this. Would you not want to come here and heal? Like it, share it, subscribe it.